This is why you shouldn't doubt the law of attraction. When it comes to the law of attraction, you either fall into three categories. You either believe it wholly, you doubt it, and you are in disbelief of such power, or 3, you are in the middle. Sometimes being in the middle is the worst place to be. You have some manifestations of something you consider small, and you've been visualizing for months, sometimes even years, for something in particular, and it hasn't showed up. So now you doubt if it will. You may doubt that it even exists, even though you have personal proof of it working in the past. So is it real? Is there a law that brings what you put your focus on into your life? There is, and all you have to do is look at quantum physics. When we observe a wave, it turns into a particle. When you don't observe the wave or light, it stays a wave. This is proven through the double slit experiment. In the double slit experiment, scientists fired photons at a screen and had a screen behind where the light or photons would hit. Imagine a fence in a yard, a picket fence. When the sun hits one side, you would expect to see a band of light. Well, when they fired the photons through the slits, it started creating multiple bands. So scientists thought that the photons were bouncing off each other and creating a pattern of a wave. So they decided to fire the photons one at a time and got the wave again. So the particle, think of a marble, was going through the slit, making multiple bands across the plate behind it. This shouldn't happen. It should go directly through the slit behind it. So scientists put a device to see or measure the photons going through the slit. The photons then began showing a particle again, making only 2 slits. You see, we're all made up of particles, everything in this universe. That proves that the very fact of observing or giving focus to something changes its behavior. So when the scientists observed the particle, they collapsed the waves of possibility into one reality. This is the same thing you do when you manifest something. With enough focus, you collapse all possibilities, and you bring it into reality through focus and intention. Do odds exist? The odds of getting your promotion or a lottery win or any windfall. They only exist in base reality, meaning the reality that is not being observed. They are waves of possibilities. But should odds be something of matter to you? Let's take a look at someone who beat the odds. Some of you know Cynthia Stafford. She not only won a jackpot when on paper the odds of winning are 1 in 300 million, but she won an exact number she visualized for months. Now, I'm no math expert, but to win a specific number you focus on, including the perceived odds of winning the lottery itself, shouldn't have happened, but it did. So do odds matter? No. Only if you believe in odds mattering. What you focus on expands and creates, that's it. The longer you stay focused on that subject, the stronger it gets. The only thing that keeps you from getting it is you using your focus to seeing it's not there, which yet again uses the power of focus and collapses the possibilities of it not being there. Now, Cynthia is just one person who, quote, beat 1 in billions chance of manifesting her dreams. But there are many, 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 many more out there. Whenever you feel doubt about a certain subject, the best thing for you to do is to go read about someone who has done it. Is there a video topic that you want us to talk about? Let us know in the comment section below. Until next time.